Hi everyone! Today I have an idea for a quick and easy pie. This pie has the crumbliness of the pastry along with the delightful taste and aroma of apples, cherries and jam, creating a fantastic dessert. It's one of those treats that warm the heart during the first days of winter. Let's get started. The main ingredient of this pie is puff pastry. You can use store-bought puff pastry or make your own rough puff pastry at home. Today I'm using homemade rough puff pastry. On a floured surface, roll the dough into an 8 by 14 inch rectangle. You can find a recipe for homemade rough puff pastry on my channel Secrets of Home Cooking. Transfer it onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Next, spread 3 tablespoons of jam without reaching the edges. Then add 2 chopped medium-sized apples and half cup of cherry. For this pie you can use any berries, fruits and jam of choice. Brush the edges with beaten egg. Additionally, use 2 teaspoons of sugar and 4 teaspoons of cinnamon. Mix them together and sprinkle this mixture over the pie. Bake in preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius for about 25 minutes until puffed and golden. Once the pie is baked, let it cool completely on a wire rack. Before serving, dust it with powdered sugar. And there you have it! Our tasty and aromatic pie is ready to be enjoyed. I hope you like this recipe. Thank you for watching.